What up, YouTube? My name is CJ, this is CJ Unplugged, and today I'm going to show you guys how to swag out your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 the way that I have. A lot of people have asked me, what is the thing that you use in the icons and all of that good stuff? As you can see, the swag is there. Oh, it's not just on the big screen, baby. Let's show them. Wait. Show them that lock screen. That lock screen is lit. Wait, the lock screen is the same on the inside too. Don't get it twisted, as you can see. Bam! There's that lock screen, and then when you click in, that boom! Same way on the outer screen as it is on the inner screen. As you guys can notice, a lot of the big differences are the amount of apps I'm able to have going across this screen. You know what I mean? I got the custom background and then the icons, the way that they look. It's all matching, it's all swaggy. And I'm gonna show y'all players how to get your Galaxy Z Fold 3 to look the exact same way too, or you can twist it up, you know what I mean? Do your own thing. So the launcher that I'm using is Nova Launcher. Now I made a video years ago about Nova Launcher and how to use it. I've been using it for years, and I love Nova Launcher because of the customability. One of the main things I really love, let me show you guys right here. These are all folders, and you would never know until I swipe up. That's how clean they are. And you can make it say whatever you want it to say. You swipe it up, that's your folder. It's a lot of hidden things. And then even if I tap on the icon that's on the outside, it still goes to that app. I have it set that way. Same thing right here, a folder. But if I tap on this icon, it goes to the Play Store. It's almost like having incognito apps. You know, you can tuck your apps, you know what I mean, without someone opening it up, especially if you got like financial sensitive apps and things like that. I can have a different app as the front app. Lo and behold, there's a folder behind that app holding all of my precious apps and things like that. Gotta love Nova Launcher. Now, here's the thing. To get Nova Launcher, there's a free version, there's a paid version. Player, you gotta get the paid version, you guys. You guys can see, where's my Nova Launcher? Hold up. Boom, as you guys can see, I have Nova Launcher Prime. So you guys are gonna have to pay for Nova Launcher Prime. So you download the free Nova Launcher, and then you pay for Nova Launcher Prime, so that way you unlock all of these custom abilities. Yeah, custom abilities. That's the way you're able to customize and get your thing to look as good as mine's is. And you're able to use icon packs and things like that. Speaking of icon packs, as you guys can see right here, all of my icons, which are the icons you guys love, come from an app called LineBit. Now, LineBit is gonna cost you too, but it's a very small fee. You pay for it, it gives you icons. Not only does it give you icons, it also gives you wallpapers. A lot of dope wallpapers that complement their icon layout. So you got that, you got the icons, as you can see. And you can do a request for certain icons to be made. So you go into the request, I can click on something, you know what I mean? Matter of fact, I want them to do this, you know what I mean? It's players out here, business players out here that want their stuff to look swaggy as well. But that right there are the two combinations that help make this possible. Now let me show you guys in my Nova Launcher settings. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let you guys in behind the curtain, you know what I mean? I'm giving y'all exclusive access. So if you haven't joined the Unplugged family, smash that subscribe button right now and join the fam. Cause you fam, and I'm helping you out. I'm showing you my hookup. So let's get into it. So I need to go into my Nova Launcher settings. So, ooh, Nova 7 is coming. Ooh, there's a new Nova Launcher coming, player. Let me get a little swag, you know what I'm saying? I'm hyped. All right, let me stop trolling, y'all. Okay, so as you guys can see, home screen. This is how I'm able to get the icons across. I have a 10 by 10 grid. I can even go 11, 12, you know what I'm saying? I can hook it up either way from top to bottom. You have that custom ability right there. Yes, custom ability will be used a lot in this video. Deal with it. Boom. So you can customize it like that. You can have your icon layout. You can do your padding. Now right here in the dock, I can choose how many dock icons I want to cross. So I put that to 10 as well so that it would all line up. So basically, let me show you guys. This is my dock at the very bottom right here. And then these are the icons right there in my folders and so forth. So I did 10 and 10 so that way they would line up, and then there's 10 going up and down if I wanted to. Now let a player get back to where he was. Hold up, babe. The app drawer is also customizable. I have that on the 10 by 10 grid to match as well. And then you can also change like the background color and the background transparency. And like it gets really deep in Nova Launcher, so you guys need to get in here and play with some stuff. That's how you get the custom look that you want. Folders. Right here, you can customize the way folders appear and how they lay out and things like that. Let me show you guys how I got my folders though to work. What you do is you long hold a folder, like when it's a folder, you're gonna go here, and then this is how you change it. So swipe to open folder. I turn that on, and then the first item in folder is the tap action. That's how I have my folder, to where if I tap right here, it goes to the Play Store. But if I swipe up, I got all of my other icons in there. So that's how I was able to do that. And there's a lot of other things you can do. Now look and feel. This is where you're gonna choose your icon style. As you can see, I have line bit selected. If I clicked in there, there's the different packs right here, but I chose line bit. This is where you're gonna go. So under look and feel, icon style, you select line bit, and that's how you get all your icons to convert over. Now, whatever icons they have available, those will be converted over. Any that aren't, they'll just stay the way that they are. So that's just kind of how that works. And you can change a lot of other things in here. See, we can edit the night mode in here, edit the color of the night mode and so forth, which is really dope. You can edit your gestures, like swiping up, what does that do? Swipe down, double tap and all that. Like, it really gets deep with Nova Launcher, and I appreciate Nova Launcher. So right here, this is Nova Launcher Prime 6.2.19, and they just put a notification that they're working on Nova 7, which I'm super hyped. So maybe when Nova 7 comes out, I'll do a video and show you guys some of the differences as well. But that literally is how I got this set up. Now, the backgrounds, I just searched the internet. I'll try to find the links and put them down in the description as well. So if you guys want to get these backgrounds, you guys can find them and use them if you want the same background I got. I have this one, and then I also have the one from the lock screen, which I love. These are a super dope combo. Look at that right there. Boo, hold up. Hit the, oh, wait. Come on. Let it play. Boo, look at that right there. It's just so fire. And the fact that I emulate the exact same thing on my outer screen. Another thing I want to tell you guys is you have to set your background and lock screen for this screen while using this screen. And the same thing with this one, you set your background and lock screen while using this screen, because they're separate. They're their own screens, which is really dope. The only difference is with the launchers, you can't separate the launchers. At least I haven't found that yet. Woo, this is just super fire, super dope. And that's pretty much how I got my Z Fold 3 to look the way that it is. You know what I mean? I understand you gotta pay for this app. I made you pay for apps to get the custom watch faces. Hey, look, player, it costs to be the boss. My name is CJ Unplugged. I am your smartwatch guru, cell phone connoisseur, and comedic relief here in the tech space. Peace and love. I appreciate all of your support. Thank you guys. I'm out, player. That was an easy video, right? Hey, hold up. Player getting a phone call? Who this? Oh man, it's Tim Apple again, man. Hey, somebody tell Tim Apple, player, it's still Samsung season.
They say if you can't beat them, then you join them. That's no option, I don't join, I always beat them.
Hold up, player. Someone trying to call a player? Look at who it is. Tim Apple, player. You getting jealous, huh? Cause your boy over here. I know it's September. Y'all got something cooking. Well, guess what? You gonna have to drop the heat, player. This Galaxy Watch 4. Woo! Man, this thing right here. I can't wait for Apple to make a watch that look like the wait, y'all never will make a watch like this. Well, guess what? You would never be my favorite smartwatch. Tim Apple out here tripping, player. It's Samsung season.
I was fake, had to find me. Now I'm on B skating like I'm grinding. L hit me, said it's all about the timing. If you want the vision, get to spinning. My mama told me trust in God, it's never limits. Now I'm on the scoreboard, running up the digits. I put in work, you know I'm up to get it. Early bird gets the worm and the Yankee fitted. Like, whoa, bags under my eyes and you know. Won't complain, I'm tired, I'm on go. For that grip, 10 toes till they swole. For that grip, 10 toes till they swole. Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side.
What is up, YouTube? Today we're going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and my 1 week later review. A player done had this Z Fold 3 for a week. I'm a diehard Galaxy Note user. I was skeptical in the beginning, but things may have changed. Honestly, I'm going to give you guys all of my cons and the pros. We're going to break this bad boy down. We got different categories to discuss, but we're going to get into it. Oh yeah, we're going to get into it. Let's start off with the cons and the things that kind of bothered me over this week, and some of the things just where I see area of improvement on the Z Fold 3.